Welcome to KPI Fire. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your organizational structure as well as categories for all of your metrics, projects, and goals. In KPI Fire, click on the settings icon on the right, click on organization. This is an important screen because everything in KPI Fire is assigned to both a person and a layer in the organization, which in KPI Fire we call departments. Now, a department could also be a region or a functional group or some other organizational structure based on how your company is set up. So we'll set up just a few here, and you can nest them, as you can see, by putting them below each other. But we'll create one for finance, one for operations, one for the executive team. And then under the executive team, maybe we have quality, but let's say that actually goes under operations, so we can move that around. And then we also have a production crew, and again, that goes under operations. So now we've set up the organizational structure, and you'll find that organizational structure now shows up everywhere in your account. So you can filter by departments on virtually every screen in KPI Fire. Now the second thing I want to show you is how to set up categories for metrics, projects, and goals. And categories are just a quick, easy way to label something and make it easier to find. So the typical categories we use are using like a balanced scorecard where you have financial, and then you have operations, customer facing, and then learning and growth. And what this allows you to do is, now that you've set these up, and again, you can put subcategories below these too. So this could be, revenue type metrics, and others could be a cost type metric or expenses. But this allows you to label everything so that when you go into your metric dashboard and you create a new metric for, top line revenue, you can assign it to a department, so it belongs to the finance department, and then clear my filters there to make it show up. I can also go here into my team tab, and I can assign this to my revenue category. So now when I go and I search and I only want to see metrics or projects that are pertaining to revenue, I can just click on revenue and it's going to filter my page by that. I can filter the page by department as well. So that's how you set up your organizational structure and your categories in KPI Fire. And again, only the administrator can do this. So if you don't have an administrator license, you won't be able to see the settings area and change these things. But if you are an admin, this is how you do it.